So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a cover page here on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, as you can tell, I just have my basic page right here. So I typed in title, text, ending. Now, if you want to insert a title page before this, it's actually pretty straightforward. Just go to the top left here. As I was just on it, press on the insert tab right here. And right below it, there is a page that says cover page. So what you can actually do is just press add a cover page right here if you want, or you can press on this little arrow beside it and choose a customized template before. So for example, if you wanted to use this one right here, you can use badge. You can go ahead and do that right there. I'll just go ahead and press on back. You can just press cover page as well. And then you can go ahead and just find like a blank one or whatever the case may be. It's pretty straightforward. So we'll go ahead and press this one right here. And there you go. Pretty simple, super straightforward. This is how to insert a cover page here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.